Soft liner for dentures review. Pricing explained what you get for your money. If you're looking to improve denture comfort, a soft liner may seem like a simple solution, but most people get this wrong by assuming all liners are equal. The surprising truth is that fit, material, and replacement frequency matter more than price. Soft liners typically cost between and per application, depending on brand and whether you purchase in office or die kits. Options include silicone-based and acrylic-based liners, each offering different levels of cushioning and durability. Some kits require dental assistance for proper fitting. What you get: improved denture comfort, cushioning that reduces irritation, and sometimes better chewing ability. What you give up or need to watch: die kits may be tricky to apply, and liners wear out over time, requiring replacement every 6-12 months. Improper application can reduce effectiveness. Here's how to evaluate. Step 1. Determine whether you want a professional application or home kit. Step 2. Compare material types for comfort and longevity. Step 3. Factor in replacement frequency and cost over time. Step 4. Consider your lifestyle and how often dentures are worn. You won't believe what happens next if you choose the wrong type. Poor fit or material can increase irritation rather than reduce it. The surprising truth is that investing slightly more in quality liners often results in significantly better comfort and long-term satisfaction. In conclusion, soft liners for dentures are a worthwhile investment for comfort and oral health as long as you understand pricing, material options, and proper application. Choosing the right liner ensures maximum value for your money.